This is our 2001 Hitachi Seiki Hitec 20RIII, equipped with hydraulic steady rest that's doing gun barrels. It's also got a collet chuck on it and a tool presetter or cue setter. The machine is in excellent operating condition except for one exception. There is a headstock plate that leaks spindle chiller oil, but I'm going to show that all the features of the machine are in good working order. We're going to start with the turret. We'll do some turret indexes. It's in safety mode right now because we have the door open, so it's going to go very slow on the turret changes, but they're 0.1 second station to station otherwise, if the door was closed with the safeties on. Now, let's gonna run the spindle real quick. We'll start out at 500 RPM. There's 1,000 RPM. 2,000 RPM. 3,000 RPM. Oh, that's 400, not 4,000. 4,000 RPM. And there's 5,000 RPM. And then spindle stop. And let's see, here's the steady rests opening and closing. And here is the axial movement. There's a little bit of gravel noise from stuff in the cupboard. Everything is in good working order.